Hello guys, welcome to my channel that's dedicated to that's also my YouTube profile name, that's also my clan name. And in this video I am going to show you some of the troops that are useful for this giant race. Don't mess with giant challenge. It's been 1 day 16 hour left, so let's get back to it. Where was the replay? Yep, check this. Okay, yeah, these are the replays. This is the troop. You can copy this and use this. It's a brilliant troop. I finished all my challenges with this troop in the giant challenge. So let me walk you through the game. I think the audio will be sufficient. Let me put it in 2x. Okay. See, giant, he froze. See, I can place that giant over there, but I didn't. You have to save your giant. Okay. See, I kinda sacrificed that night witch. See the amount of damage he did. See this, guys. Just in a single push. Night Witch always plays giant in front of Night Witch. He gave up. By that time he gave up. So this was my first game. As you can see, 6th game, 7th game. Actually, I don't have those replays. If I have, I had shared it in my clan. Double speed. Okay. Just to learn from the card placement. He has poison. That's a very shitty card. But the advantage is this. That one of my minion was on his princess tower, and now again, see, giant always plays giant against the night witch. Always. And the giant is raised, so don't leave the giant. No, he's a giant. What can he do? He's raised. He can see. Now he came up at my troop. Giant behind that, and now that mini P.E.K.K.A goes. That giant kills. He gave up. Good luck. 7th, 8th. See, guys, it's really important that you always place your giant in front of the night witch. Remember that. This was a tough matchup. This was a tough matchup. He has Ram Rider, and I didn't know that. So, guys, see this. P.E.K.K.A and Ram Rider. That one arch left, that was literally shocking to me. I get one hit. Ah, sorry. Let's place it on second. Double elixir. No, sorry. Fast forward. A ram and giant. See this. I was so much behind. And I switched tower. See, P.E.K.K.A come, P.E.K.K.A goes. And remember, when one tower is down, place your giant here in between the king and princess tower. He was raised. He walks fast. Seven. Is that 8? Yes, P.E.K.K.A ram. Now this. Okay, good luck. Kang. And place your night witch behind the king tower always. Always. Place your night witch behind the king tower. You see, that magical archer gave quite damage. I gave him well played. It was Meher red. Yes. That Tesla. But you guys see that our giant didn't turn to Tesla. It's the reason because when that giant came, he pushed my giant aside. Overcommitted. See, fireball. I think I gave him this tower, yes. Because I wanted to go on that tower. See. A good game. These are nice replays. As you can see, I have never left giant without a backup assist. He has very heavy troop. He has literally very heavy troop. At one point of time I was scared. Man, what was he having? See. And that Mega Knight. See. See how greater push how greater his push was. See, I bluffed. Here I bluffed. And then he plays that three musketeer. See guys, how bigger push he has. Yep. 12 second. End game. I gave him a good luck. Oh. And this was my last game. Actually, I had one more game, but I think I misplaced that replay. See guys, double elixir. This route works against everything. It works against P.E.K.K.A, Mega Knight, Inferno, and I don't think anyone else is playing with this deck. If someone was playing against the same deck, I should have shown you that how could we manage that. He has arrows that was bad for my archers, firecracker, and my minion. At this point of time, I know that he has Mega Knight. See guys, from where to where I have connected, and see that Mega Knight was wiped up, and that's my final game. So guys, let me show you the troop once more. Here's the troop. Let me show it to you this way. See guys, this is the troop. It costs 3.6 elixir and it's a brilliant troop. For this challenge, Giant Rage, don't mess with Giant. It's a brilliant troop, use it. I have shown you the replays. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. We have, sorry guys, phone space is running low, so I have to complete this video. Okay, I have 42 members. Any war? Where are we? We are 1602. Okay, so we are in gold arena. Gold arena? Yeah, gold league. Okay, so if you guys are of level 11 and above and have cards of level 12 and 13, you can join us in the clan war, or else it's a friendly clan, you can join here. So guys, my clan tag is hashtag PJUPOPV2. You can see there. You can join and like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Use this troop and feel free to share about your experience with that troop. And what else? Protect yourself from coronavirus. That's really important. Protect yourself from coronavirus. Wash your hands regularly and happy clashing. And don't forget to give me a like and comment on my videos, and feel free to subscribe. Thanks guys. Cheers and best of luck.